Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So students, in our previous session, we were doing exercise 1.2 and we have done up to sum number 3. Okay, so we have already started with the fourth sum with the few parts. So today again I am going to start from the very beginning of question number 4 so that we can continue with the topic. Okay, so let's open your books at exercise 1.2 and the topic is, and the sum number is 4 and this is given at page number 8. So all of you open your books at page number 8, that is exercise 1.2. Okay, moving next to the question number 4. The question number 4 is, write the following numbers in figure. Okay, so in the question number 3 that we have done yesterday, in that we have done that we need to, हमने इसमें क्या किया था बेटा, in that we have written the number names for the given numbers, but in this here the number names are given and we need to write down the number. ओके तो यहाँ हमारे पास नंबर नेम्स दिए हुए हैं, हमें उसका नंबर्स लिखने हैं. क्लियर? चलिए, सो लेट्स बिगिन विद क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. सो आई एम बिगिनिंग विद द ए पार्ट. द ए पार्ट इज 80,936. दिस इज 80,936. हमें ये करना है. ओके, सो वी व्हाट विल बी नंबर फॉर दिस गिवन नंबर नेम. तो देखिए दैट इज 80,936. 80,000 it has 10,000 place, then 9 it has 100 place, 36, 3 is at 10's place and 6 is at 1's place. So that is 80,936. It is 80 or 8? Sorry, it's not 80, it's 8. Sorry, it is 8, not 8. It is 8,936. That is 8 is at 1,000 place. 8,936. Okay, and one important thing that we need to put the commas here according to the Indian place value chart. Whatever is 1s, 10s, 100. Let's put the comma here. Clear? Chaliye. Moving next to the B part. Okay, so in the B part, 70,599. That is 70,599. Okay, so now we need to write down the number for this. So that is 70,000. So 70,000 is 10,000's place. 500, 5 is at 100 place. 99. So 9 is at 10's place and 9 is again 90. That will be 99. So that is 70,599. 70,599. So now we'll put the commas 1s, 10s, 100 and put the comma here. That is 1,000. So that is 70,599. Moving to the C part. The C part that is given here is, that is 95,095. That is 95,095. 5,000, 95,000, 95. So ओके, तो बेटा इसको क्वेश्चन बहुत ध्यान से पढ़िए, उसके बाद देन यू कैन इजीली राइट डाउन द नंबर्स हियर. दैट इज 95,095. सो दैट मीन्स देयर इज नथिंग इज गिवन एट हंड्रेड्स प्लेस. सो हंड्रेड्स प्लेस पे जब कुछ नहीं दिया है, सो व्हाट विल वी डू, वी विल पुट द जीरो. सो दैट इज 95,095. 95,095. Clear? That is 95095. So let's put the commas. Ones, tens, hundred. Put the comma. 95,095. Okay. Moving to the D part. The D part is 60,060. 60,000. 60,060. Okay, 60,060. So 60,000, 10,000 place. 60 is at tens and ones place. Now what about the hundreds place? That means in this as well, there is no number is at hundreds place. So at that we will put 0. That is 60,060. 60,000, 60,000, that is it. 60. So the 100 place पे कुछ नहीं है, that is 0. 60,060. Okay. चलिए, let's move to the next part, that is part E. Okay, you can write down the answers by pausing the video wherever I have stopped. Okay, तो मैं ये video stop करके you can write down the solution. चलिए, moving next to the E part. E part is 59,900. That is 59,900. 59,900. Okay, that is 59,900. Okay, 59,900. So 59,000, 59,000, the 900. Nothing is at tens and ones place, so at that we will put the 0. 59,900. 59,900. Okay. Chalo. Moving next to the F part. The F part is 37,708. 37,708. It is given here like this, 37,708. 37,000. So that means we later around 37,000. So लिखिए 700. 7 is at 100 place and 8. There is only 8. There is not 80 or something like this. So there is nothing is that given at tens place. So that we will write it like this, 37,000. 7,708. That is 708. 37708. That is 37,708. Moving next to the G part. The G part is 90,000. The G part is 90,000. That is 90,000. 90,000. 90,000 is simple 90,000. That is 90,000. 90,000. This is the simple one. Moving to the last part of this. That is 22,058. 22,058. 22,058. Okay. 22,000. This is 22,000. Nothing is at 100 place, so and then it's 58. So at 100 place we will put a 0, then 58. 22,058. So this is how we are going to write it like. Okay, that is 22,058. Okay, so this is the last part of question number 4 of exercise 1.2. Okay, you can pause the video here and note it down in the notebook. Check. So with this, okay, so now doing next. Okay. Now with this we have completed exercise 1.2 as well. So chaliye, now we will start with exercise 1.3. Okay, so let's begin with the next exercise, that is 1.3. Okay, so before starting with the exercise 1.3, I just want to give you introduction about the topic, that is place value. Okay, अब exercise 1.3 है बेटा, on that we are going to discuss about the topic, that is place value. So let's begin with it. Okay, so here it is given on page number 9, the place value, the topic is here. So first of all, let's read out. We have already learned in the previous classes that the place value of a digit depends on its position in the number. Here we shall extend the idea in respect of a number of 5 digits. Okay. Okay, so what is place value? Suppose I'm just taking an example, that is 4, 5, 6, 3, 0, 1. So this is the number, and it is being said that now this is the number. Suppose high number. So this is the number, and you need to write down its place value. आपको इसकी क्या लिखनी है? Place value. Now place value of what? So you need to write down the place value of every number. Okay, तो यहाँ पे जितने भी digits हैं, you need to write down its place value. तो देखिए, we will start with the place value, and we always start, चाहे वो हमें addition हो, subtraction हो, we always start from the right hand side. Okay, so in this as well, we will start from the right hand side. So 0 it has what place? 0 is at tens. Okay, the next is 3. After 3, so 3 is at which place? That is at, 0 it has 1's place, 0 it has 1's place, 0 हमारा सबसे पहले जो place value that is of 1's. देखिए 1's, 10's, 100, 1000, 10,000. So this is the Indian place value chart that we are following here. Okay, so that is 1's, 0 1's, 3 10's, 6 100s, Okay, so these I'm writing the place value of each of the following numbers. 600 is placed where? Then 5 is at which place? The place value of 5 is thousands. The place value of 5 is thousands. And next is 4. The place value of 4 is 10,000. That is 10,000. So these are the place values of the given number 45630 or 45,630. So this is the place values of these given numbers. Okay. अब इसकी प्लेस वैल्यू अगर हमें लिखना हो तो हम कैसे लिखेंगे? फिगर्स में कैसे लिखेंगे या नंबर्स में कैसे लिखेंगे? सपोज वी नीड टू राइट डाउन द प्लेस वैल्यू इन फिगर्स. ओके, we need to write down the place value in figures. So in spite of writing it here, I'm just writing it down once. So we need to write down the place value. So we are writing their place value. Okay, so here I'm writing in figures. जब हम numbers में इनकी place value लिखेंगे तो कैसे लिखेंगे? And here I'm writing in words. Words में जाने the number name you this number name form में आप लिखो. Okay, so this is here we will write down how we are going to write the place value of the given numbers. चलिए, so here starting with the first, that is 0. 0 it has ones place. Okay, so 0 we will put 0. 0 it has ones place, so इसको हम क्या लिखेंगे? 0. Words में we will write it as 0 only. Clear? Next is 3 tens. So in 3 tens, so 3 is a tens place. So tens में 0 कितनी होती है? 1. 10 में कितनी 0 होती है? 1 0. So that is 30. So the place value of 3 is 30 in words. Okay, so we will write it as 30. Next is 600. So the place value figures में इसके place value that will be 600. That is 600. So here we will write it as 600. Okay, so we will write it as 600. Next is 5,000. Okay. 5,000. 5,000. Okay, this is the place value of 5, that is 5,000. That is 5,000. 5,000. Next देखिए last is 4,10,000. 4,10,000. So how many zeros are there in 10,000? That is 4. So 4 वाला बेटा मैं यहाँ लिख रही हूँ. That is 10,000. That is 4 zeros. 10,000 में 4 zeros होती हैं. 1 2 3 4. That became 40,000. ये कितना हो गया? 40,000. Okay. So this is the place value of the given number. तो देखिए 0 was at ones place, so it is 0. 3 was at tens place, it is 30. Okay. 6 was at hundreds place, that is 600. Next is 5 is at thousands place, that is 5,000. And the next was the 4 it has 10,000 place, that is 10,000 place, that is 40,000. Clear? So this is how we are going to write down the place values, whether they are going to मतलब चाहे उन्होंने words में पूछी हो चाहे okay numbers में पूछी हो. So let's begin with the next exercise. Okay, that is exercise 1.3. Okay, so now I'm starting with the next third exercise of first chapter. That is exercise 1.3. So 1.3 exercise is here. Okay, so first is Okay, so first sum is write the place value of. Write the place value of. So we need to write the place values. That is, first sum is 4 in 3, 4, 5, 2, 1. ओके, सो हमें प्लेस वैल्यू लिखनी है 4 की इन 3, 4, 5, 1. ओके, दैट इज 4. So what is the place value of 4 in 34,521? So 4 की place value 1, 10, 100, 1000. So the place value of 4 in 34,521 is 1000. Okay, the place value of 4 in 34,521 is, what is it? That is 1000 is 4,000. Okay, the place value of 4 in is 4,000. That is 4,000. So here I am written in figure, here I have written in numbers. Okay, so this is the number and this is the figure. This is simply with us, just simply you need to write down the place value. Okay, moving next to the question number 2. The question number 2, the number is, okay, in the question number 2 we need to find out the place value of 8 in 83,409. So 83,409 में we need to write down the place value of 8. Okay, 8 in 83,409. So this is 8. What is the place value or which place किस place पे appear करता है? 1, 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. तो देखिए, तो 8 appears at 10,000 place. ऐसे लिखेंगे, पूरा लिखेंगे 8 appears at 10,000 place in 83,409. देखिए, जो 8 है वो कौन सी प्लेस पे? 1, 10, 100, 1000 and that is 10,000. So 8 appears at 10,000 place in 83,409. इसकी प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है? Therefore the place value of 8 is 80,000. एक मिनट, is 80,000. Okay, you can write in number or like this. दोनों तरह से आप लिख सकते हैं. देखिए, so the underline I have done, you need to do this ताकि आपको याद रहे. देखिए, so 8 in 83,409. Okay, so 8 appears at 10,000 place in 83,000. So it appears at 10,000 place. Yes, it appears at 10,000 place. So that means 10,000 place पे आया, so उसकी place value क्या है? That is 80,000 or 80,000. Clear? So this is how you are going to write the questions, do the solution of these questions. Okay, एक दो questions बेटा पूरा explain करके कर लेंगे. Then when you will do the next few questions, so that will be easy for you to recollect that whatever you have done. तो आपको recollect करना आसान होगा. So just make sure that you will do this like. Clear? चलिए. Now let's do. Okay, you can pause the video here and note it down in the notebook. The question number 2, 1 and 2 both. चलिए. Let's move to the question number 3. The question number 3 is, that is 3n 25,394. So we need to find out the place value of 3 in 25,394. So first of all, let's see that ये 3 है जो कौन से नंबर पे आता है, appear करता है, that is ones, tens, 100. So that means 3 is appearing at 100th place. तो देखिए 3 appears at 100th. 3 appears at 100th place. Okay, कौन से place में? 100th place. Therefore, we need to find out the place of. Therefore, the place value of 3 in 25,394. Therefore, the place value of 3 in 25,394 is 300. 300. Okay. That is 300. That is in I dot E dot. So this is the symbol for that is we use. That is the symbol है जो हम use करते हैं. Okay. So this is how you are going to do the questions. So that you are aware that what is the at what place that particular number is appearing and at what is the place value. So this is how we are going to solve this. Okay. Let's move to the next question number 4. Okay. You can note down the solutions by pausing the video at a place. चलिए वीडियो पॉज करके बेटा सॉल्यूशंस लिखेंगे आप. मूविंग नेक्स्ट टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Okay, then question number 4 we need to find out the place value of 7 in 12,307. So we need to find out the place value of 7 in 12,307. So what is the place value of 7? We need to find its place value. So 7 कौन सी position पे appear कर रहा है? So here in this, the 7 is appearing at ones place. So 7 is appearing at ones place. So देखिए 7 appears at ones place. So 7 appears at ones place. Therefore, the place value of 7 in 12,307. Therefore, the place value of 7 in 12,307. The ones place where is. So what will the place value at ones place? So that will be 7 only. Is 7. 100,000 नहीं होता, that is 7. That is 7. Okay, so this is how we will write down the place value, that is 7. Okay, so this is the place value of 7. Okay, so this is the solution of the fourth question from the exercise 1.3. Okay, so we have done the 4 sums from exercise 1.3. Okay, and the topic was place value. So I hope that you are now you are able to calculate the place values of the given numbers in the different sums. So here next 4 parts, that is 5, 6, 7, 8. For 4 more parts are there. So try to do by yourself. देखो अगर आपको आते हैं बेटा तो try करिए करने के लिए अपने आप. Okay, and try to solve it. अगर सही होगा तो दैट इज ओके, नहीं होगा then you can correct it in the next session by watching the next video. Okay, for this, with this I'm just ending the today's session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody have a great day.